Alright guys, so hello guys, my name is Anak. I make videos over here on YouTube related to tech, photo, video, and yeah, if you are new here, consider subscribing. I tell you, you won't regret. So today's topic, I'm going to tell you 3 classic applications over Play Store on a mobile phone that you can have on Android or iOS both. They are really sick applications that you can use for the purpose of photo editing. And yeah, there are 3 applications that are, first one is the Lightroom, second one is Snapseed, and the third one is Vesco X. So these 3 applications are very amazing, real amazing, and yeah, you can edit pictures in it to make crazy Instagram pictures. And yeah, let's get over to tutorial. Alright guys, the first app that we have on our list is the Snapseed. Now this app is very useful for me as I use it on my regular basis. Now basically I use this app for tweaking up the basic corrections, that is saturation, brightness, highlight, shadows, ambience, warmth and etc. Also in the tools box I use the detail, structure and all to give it. Now I use the curves for giving a faded look to my film, and also you can set the white balance if you are wrong with the in-camera white balance. There you get a ton of features including the selective mode, which is quite impressive among me because I do it a lot and I use it on my regular basis. I simply love the this mode. And also there's quite a lot of features which you get inside this app. This app is really amazing, made by Google. You get a ton of features, the tonal contrast, the frames to set amazing low tones, high tones, mid tones. You get the option to set the frames according to amazing frames, minimalistic frames. You get an option of lens blur for getting that sweet bokeh on your background, which is quite amazing. And also you get the vignette look for that cinematic feel. Also you get a ton of presets inbuilt the app. The next app that we have is the Vesco, and yeah, it's one of the classic applications which I use. The interface of the app is so minimal and so amazing. I love it because it just feels like an Instagram feed, so I can just simply see how my feed will look and I upload the pictures directly. Now trust me guys, it's the Lightroom for your mobile. Yeah, because it has a ton of presets which you can use actually to grade your pictures, which we call in the photographic term. Now there are ton of features that are presets, but you definitely have to buy those. So I have bought all of them. You have to invest definitely, but there is amazing. Those presets are literally amazing. Other than that, you get the features like YSQ, XQ and contrast, shadow, highlight and all adjusting. You get the option of grain to add a natural look to your picture, and also you get fade, and this is a tab which I use a lot to get the white bars on the top and bottom of my pictures. If you haven't visited my Instagram yet, you must definitely visit my Instagram @thesnapper. So yeah, I'm going to use this preset. Also you can view what all changes you have done to your picture. You can make recipes out of different presets and you can save it. Must try app, I will recommend. Now this app is something really amazing. The complete version of the desktop Lightroom, the Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC for mobile phone. Excellent app, excellent app. I just use it for the purpose of grading pictures because it gives me control over the color amazingly. So basically it has everything that every normal editing app offers. So you get ton of presets built into it, and also you get the light to adjust all the exposure, contrast, the highlights, shadows and all. But the main feature which I like about this app is the color feature. It allows you to control everything in your picture, the deep detail of a picture including temperature, tint, vibrance, shadows, and the mix feature is just lit. You get controls over each of those elements of a pictures, that is colors, and you can get into different shades, try out different highlights, and you can choose what suits best for your picture and you can go with it. I trust me guys, you can never go wrong with this app. Also this app has selective feature which you can get if you do a premium version or go for an upgrade. I am in love with this app. This app is really amazing. You get all those amazing features, but the color feature is really awesome. You can also get the perspective setting features which I haven't bought because it's in the premium version. I do it with the snap speed. Also it has got lens profile. You can see every changes that you have made and you can export it in the highest available resolution. Alright guys, if you love the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, or if you are new to his channel, consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell icon so that you get notifications for all my future videos. Okay guys, this was something which I really wanted to tell you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.